linuxmint is known for being a very user-friendly Linux distro, and oftentimes it's the first distro for a lot of beginners. But even if you are a beginner or already have some experience, you should still use it because it's so good and there are so many reasons why. Chapter 1: Stability. Linux Mint is also a very stable distro. Now you might say, so is Ubuntu or Fedora. But to be honest, out of a lot of distros that I have used, I found Linux Mint the one that doesn't really break a lot or have any major bugs. I tried that Ubuntu, it had Wi-Fi problems. I tried that Fedora KDE, it wouldn't boot. I tried Fedora, it's no. I tried Arch, I don't want to configure my audio drivers by myself, and I also don't want to be scared about either my entire disk configuration being broken while installing. With Linux Mint, I had absolutely no problems. I always use it however I want to, and the only complaint I would have about Linux Mint is that the default themes look a bit outdated, but that's where the customization comes in. Chapter 2: Customizability. The Cinnamon desktop is one of the most highly customizable desktop environments I've seen. Now, if you would lose Linux Mint, I would really care about customization since my go-to desktop is a top panel, a start menu, a workspace switcher, and some apps, shortcuts in the panel. That's it. I don't have any fancy stuff or translucent themes. I just like to be minimal with my desktop, but Cinnamon Desktop offers a whole lot of customizability, and if that wasn't enough, install KDE Plasma and you'll get even more customizations. It gives you a lot of freedom while being user friendly, and that brings us to chapter 3: Beginner Friendly. So Linux Mint is very easy to use, and that's that. You don't have a hard installation, you don't need to configure partitions yourself. Linux Mint also has a lot of GUI apps replacing terminal actions, which I don't use personally, but you have an app dedicated to updates, an app for drivers, or an actually useful app for software, because a lot of the distros and their package manager apps are really bad and useless. So what I'm saying is, sometimes Linux Mint is easier than Windows or Mac. It has a very quick and easy learning curve. Plus, if you have any issues, there's a wiki. There are so many tutorials about Linux Mint because it's the standard for many beginners. But for you experienced users out there, I think it's time for a change. Also, a big change you can make very easily is my subscriber count. If you press the subscribe button, my subscriber count increases. Same goes for my likes and comments. It's just a change that you can make in 5 seconds. So please, just subscribe, like and comment. And if you can do it in under 5 seconds, you're considered cool by me. But you're already cool for watching through this video. And that's that for this video, and have a good day.